How do you attract friends? It's not what we do that attracts friends, it's how we think. If we change how we think about others, we can become a magnet for new friends. We often put other people down in the hope of elevating ourselves. But when we focus on what is good in others, something magical happens. We begin to feel different about them, and they in turn respond to us in a new positive way. Hey, this is Roma, and you are watching The Voice of Conscience. Here are some simple tips that will help you to attract new friends. Please watch the video till the end, as I am also going to recommend you one book that will help you better in making new friends. So let's get started. Smile. If you look at ancient Buddha figures, they usually show a serene smile. It's a kind of visual teaching, because when we smile, we become mindful and step out of preoccupation. No matter how you connect with people, remember to smile. Whether you are connecting face to face, Facebook, Skype, email, Twitter, or phone, your inner and outer smile will be felt by the person you are connecting with. Focus on positive side of people. No one is perfect. We all have traits that make us difficult to live with. It's easy to focus on what is difficult. Instead, look for what is good and strong. If you do catch yourself focusing on negative aspects, remind yourself that you too have faults. There is a poem by David Harris that says, "At the end of every tunnel, there is a light somewhere, a light of hope and reasons, and a light to guide us to the safety from the dark. To outstretched hands there. These hands hold out friendship, something everyone needs. For friendship brings wealth, much more than anything money can buy. For without this wealth, many of us would just shrivel up and die." Let go of grudges. Do you stew over how others have treated you? It can be difficult to release yourself from negative thoughts about how someone harmed you or made you unhappy. Such negative thoughts are corrosive and will harden your heart. So let them go and focus on the beauty of the present moment instead. Be helpful. In order to create long-lasting friendship, take a time to think about what you can do for friends. Provide a helping hand to your friends when they need you. It will make your friends realize that you are always there for them, and it will make your bond stronger. Now it's time to tell you about the book called The Social Skills Guidebook by Chris Macleod. If you are shy, insecure, anxious, and are not able to make new friends, this book is perfect for you. You can download the PDF copy of this book. Link is in my description. It's really amazing book and certainly very beneficial. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe and press the bell icon and give us a thumbs up.